Running through these checks like the ones on my shoes, so don't get beat up, bitch, like it beat up. How I'm moving in, cause Elisa. Don't get geeked up, bitch, like it beat up. Moving how I want it with my feet up.
What up, you guys? It is Leia. I'm back with another video. As you can see, we have a big container of water and a small container of water, and we have food coloring. Today we are going to be making, by the title you already know, we're going to be making ice water. Yes, we made this plenty of times before. Okay, so we got our food coloring. Man, it's only blue and red, but we're gonna make this food color. So let me tell y'all what y'all gonna do. Okay. So
What?
So we're gonna put this food coloring. You only need 1 drop of food coloring. 1 drop.
Okay.
So I like red because. Oh my god, the trash can just moved by itself, kinda like for real, it just went down. Okay, like so she put. You supposed to put 1 drop. Now go rinse it out because it's not gonna work.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
How you know?
Cause I already tried that and then
And I
didn't
tried
do
it too.
Go. Put some more water in it. She always gotta do something. She do something too fast. Okay, but I'm gonna put 1 drop. Give me a spoon,
No.
please. Okay, so I put 1 drop of red. Look like blood. But
Look like blood.
still. So I'm ready for her to get a spoon so we can mix. I don't plan on putting nothing else in it because I really don't put nothing else in it. I should put in sprinkles. I'm just joking. That might be it. Just gotta go get her a whole knife. Hurry up and put the drop because I can't mix mine until you do it. Hurry up. 1 drop. That's it. You stop doing 2.
I did that last time. Calm down.
Stop doing 2.
And first of all, the first time I did more than 2.
Till you mix it.
It looks so cool.
It's too dark.
Look.
So I'll make me a small one because the big ones take a while to do it. But like, so come on, guys, let's go put it in the freezer. Some people put theirs in the freezer for like an hour. We do ours more than an hour because last time we did it, it wasn't an hour. So
2 hours.
it was either 2. I did mine either 2 or 3 hours. So I'm gonna do a small container, but I don't know. I just want to do a big container to see for y'all to see. Y'all can do any size, but like make room. But like I'm gonna get a small container because like we have a lot of stuff in the freezer. Put it in another container because like mine was too big, so I had to get a small one. So like I said again, we're gonna do 1 drop. So y'all see my face. 1 drop. 1 drop. 1 drop. Then we mix it. And then we're gonna put in the freezer for 2 hours. Okay, you guys, hours has passed. It is now frozen. Hopefully it's fine. I know hers fine. I don't know about mine because I made it wasn't a long time. So let's go. I can hear it. Oh, mine ain't gonna work. Okay, you do yours first because mine will hear it. Hold on. Go ahead, do yours. Go ahead, eat it. It's fine, we're clean. You ain't even eat
Let's
nothing.
go. Oh.
Apparently, mine is stuck. Okay, well, y'all see mine because it won't come out.
Okay, well y'all see mine because it won't come out.
Because it will come out. Mine ain't freeze all the way. So here's mine. It's ice. But I'm going to drink all the water out so I can.
This thing cold. Cold.
Okay. Go. It's not coming out. Hello. The water mostly came out, but
Uncle Bar, hey.
cold. My other bag, cause like we wait hours for us to freeze. Cause when we did, it was earlier during the day. So since we're finishing this video tonight, I'll be posting it tomorrow afternoon when I get out of school. Cause like in the morning I don't be feel like getting up. You know, go too early to be getting up. And it's a struggle. But until then, for this video, I want whoever follow me and knows me, comment if y'all want to meet up together to do a YouTube video. But you gotta have an idea, cause like I be making up ideas in the last minute. Ooh, wrong side about it. Yep. So you guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.
Bust down on the gang. Blueface, baby. Yeah, I'm every woman's fantasy. Mama always told me I was gonna break hearts. I guess it's her fault. Stupid. Don't be mad at me. I wanna see you bust down. Bend that shit over on the